On Wednesday, Arkansas Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders signed legislation cutting the state's income and property taxes.
The top rate that you would pay on your income tax in Arkansas was 4.4%, meaning your income, the highest rate you're going to pay is 4.4%. Well, the legislature just lowered that by half a percentage point down to 3.9%.
This will impact Arkansans who make $25,000 or more. According to Scott Hardin, spokesperson for the Department of Finance and Administration, about 1.1 million taxpayers in the state will benefit from this, and it will continue to benefit taxpayers in future years.
Next year, they will keep an additional $256 million in their pockets because of that tax cut. And that's not just next year, that's every year going forward because it's obviously in place permanently.
Hardin says the tax cut can be figured by subtracting a 2024 tax rate from a 2023 tax rate. For example, someone who makes around $56,000 a year can expect to save around $200 to $280. Individuals' income isn't the only thing affected. The top corporate rate is being cut from 4.8% to 4.3%.
That's going to save, there are about 7,800 companies that are going to benefit from that, and they're going to save about $66 million a year moving forward.
Supporters of the tax cuts say the state is in a healthy position to do so economically.
I think Arkansans should be proud to know their state is doing well, meaning the economy is doing well. We're collecting more money than we anticipated. Right now, it looks like we're going to have a revenue surplus, meaning we expect to collect $700 million more than we planned for.
However, those opposed believe the state should fund services to help issues such as high maternal mortality rate.
So there's so much more work we could do if we funded our programs better in our state. And so I'm a no on tax cuts until I feel like people are getting the services they need.
The tax cut is retroactive to January 1st of this year.
So when Arkansans file their taxes next year, that's when they'll see that $250 million when they file in 2025 for tax year 2024.
Governor Sanders also increased the homestead tax credit from $425 to $500. The tax cut is expected to cost $46 million. Christina Randall, KNWA, Northwest Arkansas News.